Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to record slow motion videos on your iPhone. In this video I'll guide you through the steps so you can easily capture slow motion videos on your iPhone. First, to get started, let's first open up the camera app on your iPhone. By default you'll be on the standard photo mode on your iPhone. To switch to the slow motion mode, swipe to the right until you see slow motion. And then when you see slow motion, let's tap on it to select it. Once you're in slow motion mode, you can start recording by tapping on the big red button in the center of the screen. To adjust the speed of your slow motion video, swipe right until you see 240 or 120 on the screen. Choose the speed that works best for you. Now, let's start recording to see how it works. Once you've finished recording, simply tap the shutter button again to stop. You can then view the video by swiping to the left, which will take you straight to your gallery. And there you have it. Your slow motion video is now ready to watch. If you'd like to make any edits, you can tap the edit button in the gallery here. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the thumbs up button if you found this tutorial helpful, and thanks for watching.